step onto the red carpet at the Los Angeles premiere of Blink Twice and witness the undeniable love and admiration between Channing Tatum and Zoë Kravitz. The highly anticipated event, held on Thursday, August 8th, was not just a milestone in their professional lives, but a significant step in their personal journey. Eagerly awaited by fans and media alike, the engaged couple did not disappoint as they graced the red carpet. Tatum, dressed in a classic black tuxedo, exuded charm and confidence, proudly standing beside Kravitz, who stunned in a sleek, elegant gown that perfectly captured her unique style, a blend of modern chic and timeless glamour. As they made their way down the carpet, their chemistry was palpable. Warm smiles, knowing glances and loving embraces created an intimate atmosphere amidst the bustling crowd and flashing cameras. Clearly, this premiere was not just about their film. It was a celebration of their love story. Their journey together began quietly, with rumors of their relationship surfacing in early 2021. But as their bond deepened, they became more comfortable, sharing glimpses of their romance with the public. The joyous announcement of their engagement in October 2023 was met with excitement from fans who had witnessed the blossoming of their relationship over the years. For Tatum, a renowned actor, known for his roles in blockbusters like Magic Mike and 21 Jump Street, and Kravitz, a talented actress and singer embarking on her directorial debut with Blink Twice, this film was more than just another project. It was a collaborative effort that brought them even closer. The couple's affection for one another was evident as they posed for photos on the red carpet. Tatum, ever the supportive partner, gazed at Kravitz with pride and admiration, fully embracing his role in her directorial debut. Meanwhile, Kravitz, adorned with a radiant smile, drew strength and inspiration from Tatum's unwavering presence by her side. It was a moment that showcased not just their professional partnership, but the deep emotional connection they share. As they embarked on this premiere, Channing Tatum and Zoë Kravitz proved that their love and mutual admiration were impossible to overlook. With a journey that began quietly and grew into a beautiful love story, they captivated fans and the media alike at the Blink Twice premiere, leaving no doubt that their bond is as strong as ever. Ladies and gentlemen, the evening reached an emotional peak as Kravitz took the stage before the screening of Blink Twice. With a room filled with friends, family, and industry peers, anticipation hung in the air as she mustered the courage to speak. Steady but brimming with emotion, she took a deep breath and began. "It's really very cool to get to make a movie." The room fell quiet, hanging on to her every word. But when you get to do it with the love of your life, it's everything. Applause and cheers erupted, but it was the look she shared with Tatum that spoke volumes, a look of pure love, understanding, and gratitude. For Kravitz, Blink Twice marks a significant milestone in her career, shifting from in front of the camera to behind it. Directing a film is no easy feat, let alone while balancing the complexities of a high-profile relationship. Yet with Tatum by her side, offering unwavering support and encouragement, she gracefully navigated these challenges. Their labor of love intertwines their creative passion and personal lives in a rare and beautiful way. As the night unfolded, the couple mingled with guests, their joy infectious as they shared stories and laughter. Their journey together, from co-stars to life partners, adds an exquisite depth to the film's narrative, transforming the premiere into a uniquely profound experience. It serves as a testament to their shared dreams and the love that fuels them. Both Tatum and Kravitz expressed excitement in the days leading up to this momentous event, eager to share Blink Twice with the world. For Tatum, the film not only allows him to showcase his acting prowess once again, but it also immerses him in something deeply personal, a project crafted by the woman he loves. And for Kravitz, directing the Film fulfilled a lifelong dream, affording her the opportunity to tell a story in her own voice, while surrounded by those who hold a special place in her heart. As the premiere draws to a close, the couple stands united, hand in hand, basking in the glow of a successful evening. They have not only unveiled a remarkable film, but also shared a piece of their extraordinary love story with the world. In a city known for fleeting romances and temporary connections, Tatum and Kravitz's relationship shines bright, a partnership built on respect, shared passions, and a deep, enduring love. The premiere of Blink Twice is a night destined to be remembered, not merely for its cinematic achievement, but for the beautiful love story intertwined within it. As Tatum and Kravitz embark on this new chapter together, both personally and professionally, they continue to inspire those around them. They are living proof that when love and creativity collide, the outcome is nothing short of magical.